In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 essential vitamins that, according to Dr. Shigeaki, help improve blood circulation, including a particularly effective one, capable of revolutionizing circulatory health and restoring freedom of movement. These vitamins, easily found in a variety of common foods, offer significant benefits to the body, especially for the cardiovascular system. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, a renowned Japanese physician and pioneer in preventive medicine and wellness, has always advocated the importance of a healthy lifestyle and the inclusion of essential nutrients in the diet to maintain a healthy body. And he states that these 4 vitamins that we are going to discover can play a key role in improving blood circulation, promoting not only cardiovascular well-being, but also a better quality of life. Let's begin. It is, therefore, essential to adopt a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and regular physical exercise. Including foods rich in vitamins that promote circulation can make a big difference, helping to prevent and manage these problems, improving overall well-being and quality of life. High blood sugar levels in the long run can damage blood vessels, reducing their efficiency in transporting blood and thus aggravating circulatory problems. You might be wondering, how do I know if I have poor circulation? I'm going to show you 6 warning signs that are important to recognize and keep an eye on. The first sign is numbness and tingling in your legs and feet, often felt when you stay in the same position for too long. This symptom can cause discomfort and even pain. The second sign is cold feet, even in warm environments. Poor circulation actually affects your body's ability to regulate temperature, leading to a constant feeling of coldness. The third sign is cramps, which usually occur after walking or physical activity. This pain, known as intermittent claudication, stems from a lack of oxygen reaching the muscles during exercise. The fourth sign is a change in skin color. Your legs and feet may develop bluish or reddish tones due to insufficient oxygen supply. These changes are more noticeable in the cold or after long periods of inactivity. The fifth sign is varicose veins, a common problem that not only affects your appearance but also your health. Also known as spider veins, these dilated reddish veins, shaped like a spider web, appear on the legs under the surface of the skin, without protruding. Varicose veins develop due to insufficient venous return. This problem, more common in the elderly and women, can, however, also affect men. It happens when the walls and valves of the veins don't work properly, causing blood to pool, or in some cases flow in the opposite direction instead of returning to the heart. As a result, the veins become dilated and swollen. The sixth sign is restless legs syndrome, a condition that affects some people with circulation problems. It manifests as an irresistible urge to move your legs, often accompanied by symptoms such as tingling, burning, itching, or a pulling sensation. This disorder, neurological in nature, tends to appear especially during moments of rest, causing discomfort and interfering with sleep. Do you recognize yourself in any of these symptoms? Are these signs common in your daily life? Let us know in the comments, now that you have a better understanding of this problem. And speaking of signs of poor circulation, how about discovering 4 vitamins that can make a big difference in improving this problem that affects so many people? And remember, the 4th vitamin we're going to talk about is the most important and powerful, the absolute number 1. Let's start with vitamin B3, also known as niacin, a true silent hero for circulatory health. This essential vitamin strengthens blood vessels, promotes better blood flow, and helps the body function at its best. Just like other B vitamins, niacin is crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Additionally, it benefits the skin, helping to keep it youthful and bright. But its positive effects don't stop there. Vitamin B3 can reduce levels of bad cholesterol, or LDL, and increase levels of good cholesterol, or HDL, improving blood circulation efficiency. Additionally, this vitamin is also beneficial for the brain, protecting it from age-related cognitive decline. These are undoubtedly incredible advantages. Vitamin B3 truly plays multiple essential roles, living up to its name as a silent hero. It contributes to the overall well-being of the body, helping you feel fit and healthy. According to several studies, vitamin B3 may even benefit patients with type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. Interesting, isn't it? You can find this precious vitamin in foods like chicken, fish, tuna, eggs, beetroot, lentils, nuts, seeds, and legumes. It's also present in enriched bakery products. Understanding the importance of vitamin B3 allows you to recognize how valuable it can be for promoting good circulatory health and improving your overall well-being. Vitamin-enriched cereals are an excellent source of essential nutrients, but like everything in life, it's essential not to overdo it. Excessive niacin consumption can actually cause side effects, such as temporary skin flushing, which makes the skin hot and red. So, it's best to avoid overdoing vitamin B3, unless you want to end up with a tomato face, of course. Let's move on to the second vitamin on our list, vitamin C. Mostly known for its role in boosting the immune system, ascorbic acid is also crucial in preventing blood clots. This vitamin supports the healthy functioning of the cells that line blood vessels and is essential for the production of collagen, a structural protein fundamental for maintaining the integrity of blood vessels. Collagen strengthens the walls of arteries and veins, helping to prevent problems like varicose veins and other conditions related to circulation. But that's not all. Vitamin C reduces inflammation in blood vessels, improving blood flow, especially in the lower limbs. This makes it particularly helpful for those who suffer from circulatory problems, such as the feeling of tired legs or restless legs syndrome. You can find vitamin C in abundance in foods like oranges, tangerines, lemons, kiwi, strawberries, and papayas. However, it is also present in smaller quantities in other foods, such as lettuce, artichokes, pineapple, banana, spinach, avocado, apple, carrot, plum, pumpkin, and beetroot. To ensure an adequate intake of vitamin C, it is essential to include fruit, vegetables, and natural juices in your diet. It is important to avoid leaving fruits like strawberries, papaya, kiwi, or oranges peeled and exposed to air or light for a long time, as this can significantly reduce their vitamin C content. Health experts point out that the daily requirement for this vitamin varies by age and gender. For example, boys should consume about 90 milligrams per day, while for girls, the requirement is about 75 milligrams per day, which is roughly equivalent to eating a medium-sized orange. Let's move on to the third vitamin on our list, and soon we'll discover the fourth, which is the most recommended of all. Before we continue, it's important to remember that lifestyle habits also play a key role in circulatory health. If you suffer from circulation problems in your legs or feet, taking a few simple precautions can make all the difference. And now, let's talk about vitamin K, an essential nutrient for our body that plays many important roles. Vitamin K is essential for activating proteins responsible for blood clotting, helping to prevent bleeding and ensuring better oxygen flow to our veins, arteries, and organs. Additionally, this vitamin is crucial for healthy blood vessels, helping to regulate artery mineralization and prevent problems like varicose veins and other circulatory diseases. Vitamin K's benefits go beyond circulation. It's also important for strengthening bones and preventing osteoporosis. One of its forms, vitamin K2, activates a protein called osteocalcin, which guides calcium to our bones and teeth, preventing it from depositing in our arteries. This process helps prevent conditions like arteriosclerosis, reducing hardening of the arteries and improving blood flow, especially in the lower limbs. The main form, vitamin K1, is abundant in dark, leafy green vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale, as well as some fruits, including kiwi, strawberries, and grapes. Other foods rich in vitamin K include nuts like almonds, cashews, and pistachios, meat, cheese, and soy. It's worth noting that tomatoes are also a source of vitamin K and are very versatile in the kitchen. The World Health Organization recommends eating them raw, in cold soups, salads, or even spread like sauce on a slice of bread. However, the best way to enjoy their benefits is to consume them fresh, to preserve as many nutrients as possible. And now let's focus on the key player in circulatory health, vitamin E. This essential nutrient, rich in antioxidants, protects the body's tissues from damage caused by free radicals, harmful substances that can compromise cells, tissues, and organs. Free radicals can actually have a negative impact on blood circulation and cardiovascular health, including the health of your legs and feet. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin, is essential for the proper functioning of the body thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. In addition to strengthening the immune system, it contributes to the health of skin and hair. It is known for its ability to prevent certain diseases such as atherosclerosis and Alzheimer's disease, and to combat many conditions related to aging. This vitamin protects the endothelial cells that line blood vessels, protecting them from damage caused by oxidative stress. In this way, it promotes arterial health and efficient blood circulation. Including these vitamins in your diet, especially vitamin E, is an effective step to improve circulatory health and protect the body from diseases related to age and an unhealthy lifestyle. Vitamin E plays a key role in protecting endothelial cells and contributes to maintaining the health of blood vessels, improving circulation in the legs and feet. It is also essential for the formation of red blood cells and the dilation of blood vessels, preventing blood clotting inside them. One of the main mechanisms of vitamin E is the stimulation of nitric oxide production, a crucial molecule for vasodilation, that is, the process of relaxation and dilation of blood vessels. This process not only favors circulation, but also helps to reduce blood pressure, providing significant benefits for cardiovascular health. To meet your daily vitamin E needs, it is advisable to choose a balanced diet. This nutrient is abundant in vegetable oils, such as wheat germ, sunflower, safflower, corn, and soybean oils. It is also found in nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and peanuts, as well as green leafy vegetables such as spinach and broccoli. Fortified products such as breakfast cereals, fruit juices, and margarines are also excellent sources of vitamin E. These four vitamins, B3, C, K, and E, offer extraordinary benefits for circulatory health and overall well-being. According to the Center for Venous Diseases, these nutrients not only improve blood circulation and protect blood vessels, but also strengthen veins and fight inflammation. However, it is important to maintain an adequate dosage and follow a varied and nutrient-rich diet to take full advantage of the benefits that these vitamins can offer. Having healthy habits every day is really important to improve your circulation and relieve any discomfort in your legs and feet. A great practice is to raise your legs using a small support, about 8 inches high, while you're sitting down. In this position, you can make circular movements with your ankles or alternate flexing and extending your feet, which helps the blood flow. It's recommended to do these exercises for about 10 minutes, divided into 2 sets of 15 repetitions each. Walking on your tiptoes is also a beneficial activity. This exercise helps to strengthen your leg muscles and improve your balance. Doing this on a soft or uneven surface further stimulates the soles of your feet, which helps improve muscle resistance and promotes better circulation. Another helpful technique is applying cold water to your legs and knees. Cold water makes the capillaries and muscles contract, which leads to better blood circulation. You should apply the water from the bottom to the top of your legs for about 3 minutes. This simple remedy not only improves blood flow, but also relieves that heavy feeling in your legs. Another effective tip is to massage your legs before going to bed. Start from the bottom and go up, applying light pressure or intermittent movements up to your thigh. This helps to relax your muscles, stimulate circulation, and promote more restful sleep. These small tips, along with consistent practice, can significantly improve your circulatory health, providing relief and helping to prevent potential related problems. Making these simple practices part of your daily routine is an important step in keeping your legs and feet healthy and strong. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. Someone might really benefit from them.